Listen, I know I was going last week. I know. I had to do some adulting stuff. But I ain't even gonna hold you, okay? Because we're gonna be here not for a long time, but we're gonna be here for a good time. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, and we friends. Now listen, last week and I'm tired. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm tired. I had to be an adult last week. Okay, spring was coming, and I was getting ready for spring. Okay, I was getting ready for spring. It's a okay. Anyway, you like, girl, I don't care. You right, because I don't even care. If I don't care, why you care? Okay, you right. Okay, listen, I have some stuff we need to unbox, right? And I did pick up something from the Cherry Blossoms collection. Y'all probably already know what it is. If you know me, you know what it is. Okay. Matter of fact, right now, pause it. Don't leave. Don't do me like that. Don't leave. But pause the video and guess what I got before I unbox it. Okay. But we do need so these came at 3 different things. They came at 3 different times. I'll make the rules, okay? Girl, they came at 3 different times because you didn't order them together. Okay, my bad. My bad. I didn't. There was 3. Point is, I took the cardboard box out of all of them. I took them all out the cardboard box. But there's one that came last night. Hold on. Okay. This one actually came last night and I did not unbox it. So let's start with this one so I can get the cardboard box out the way. Okay. Girl, you done open. See, this is why I don't do true unboxing. Well, yes you do. But this is why I don't like doing true unboxings. Because it be a lot. Okay. Let me see. Hold on. Alright. Now with a little slippy tab. Is this a slippy tab? Girl, they say ain't nobody getting in this box. And if you get into this box, you keeping it. I ain't even mad. Well, I'm mad a little bit. Because this is a lot of work. Alright. Hold on. I'm already tired. I am already tired. Okay? Listen, my muscles hurt. Y'all, I ain't been to the gym in like a month. And I could tell because the little muscles I did get, they're gone. Okay? And I know you like, girl, when you in the army your entire adult life, listen, I don't even know. I don't even have no excuse. Maybe I think I became a princess. Oh no, but listen. Okay, I think it's open. Is it open? Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Girl, they did not with the little baby box. It's okay though. It's okay. Okay, here go my receipt. And here she at. I ain't get no samples in there. I mean, no, it's not perfume. That's not the point. My CA usually, well, you know what, girl, you don't even use the samples you got. You right, my bad. Okay. Here she go. You probably can guess what it is. Okay. Here we go. Alright, here we go. I know this may come as a shocker. Probably not, maybe. I don't know. But this is actually my first pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I own everything? Yep, luggage, everything. Luggage, purses, but scarves, what else? Wallet. But this is my first pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. I think because if I had to choose my favorite brand of sunglasses, it's Fendi. And then after Fendi, I think it's Dior. So I never, girl, nobody cares. Okay, my bad. Okay, here, this is what I got. Alright. And then, oh, this is a nice little box. This is a nice little box. I don't know who they think putting that in their purse. But maybe they don't think nobody. That's why they give you this little baby dust bag. Okay. Cute. Very cute. Okay. Now, I did notice when I was ordering these, right? Okay, they're cute. They're cute. Okay. I did notice when I was ordering this, they gave you an option of W. I think W and, is it E or L? They gave you two options, right? One was for a flatter nose, and then one was for a wider nose, I believe. I'll put it up here. But I was like, oh, okay. And I went with the W because of the description that I read when I Googled it. Right? Am I lying? Maybe I'm lying. I don't know. I will put what I found. But W seems to work out. If I'm lying, I will put it up here somewhere. Okay? But I think I'm right. So I got the size W if you wanted to order some Louis Vuitton sunglasses and wasn't sure what the difference was. Okay? Or you could have Googled it just like me. But there you go. That's what I got. Some black sunglasses. What's next? Alright, hold on. Girl, just put this down. Okay. Now, next, let's go open the card. And then we're going to open. This is what I'm most excited about. But let's go ahead and get the Murakami out the way. Now, it did come with the Murakami ribbon and the little panda. Did I get the... No. I think this is my first panda because on the multi-collection, both of my little guys were the alien man. Is it the alien man? I think that when I said that the first time, y'all was like, girl, that is not an alien. I forgot what you told me he was. But to me, he looked like an alien. Okay? He looked like an alien. That's the alien man. But I don't think I got a panda. So now I got a panda. Okay? And I don't know why I'm excited because I don't know what I'm going to do with them. But you know what's nice to have? It's nice to have. Okay, got another ribbon. Did you guess what this was? You probably know what it was. You're like, girl, there ain't no mystery. Okay, what I didn't get was the multicolor wrapping paper. Hurt my little heart. But then again, what I'm going to do with it? Oh, I know you guessed what it was. Y'all know I was going to get this. Y'all know I was going to get this. Okay? Come on now. Ooh, do it match my outfit today? Do it? I don't know. I can't tell. Alright, anyway. So, I got the scarf. Y'all know I love me a good little scarf. A good little headgear. Okay? Now, listen. I ain't gonna lie. The Cherry Blossoms collection. I already explained why I didn't get it back from the multicolor, right? If you haven't seen, like, a plethora of one of those explanations, I will link the video down here in the description box. But the Cherry Blossoms collection was a little different, okay? Don't come for me if you love it, okay? Because if you love it, I love it for you, okay? If you like it, I love it, okay? But I didn't get it back because it was giving me K-pop. It's giving me K-pop. It's giving me K-pop. It's giving me, you know, one of the Japanese girlies that be on the TikTok doing a little K-pop. It's giving me anime. It is. And that's not my vibe. Is it a pretty vibe? Is it a cute vibe? Yes, but not my type of cute. Okay, it was cutesy. I'm cute. I'm not cutesy. Okay, and that's the vibe the handbags was giving me. And the wallets was giving me. Not my vibe. I like pink, but I like pink like a thug. Oh no. I don't know what's wrong with me. Listen, pray for me. But it's too cutesy for me. But you know your girl love a head scarf, okay? Last but not least. Okay, this is gonna be my favorite. Okay, cool. They got the name on the box. It's cotton? Okay, anyway, okay. I didn't know that. Child, I didn't know that. Listen, don't talk about me. Can you see it? What they got? Alright, this is a lot for this thing. Okay, they wrapped it up nicely. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. God damn. Girl, put this box down. Okay, hold on. Listen, y'all know me. Y'all know I love me a good old cap. Okay? A good old bucket hat. Now, this is the Louis Vuitton Cotton LV Signature Cap in blue. Okay? Now, I can't put it on now because my head too big. Okay? Well, my hair too big. But, love it. Or maybe they mean this cotton part. Because inside is still silk lined. Girl, I don't know. I'll check it out. But I like it. I like it. Add to my collection. Don't ask me why they put it in that big box with all that paper. I don't know. But I'm glad it didn't, because it didn't crush. Now, I know y'all like, girl, you ain't. Well, see, listen, because I said this before. I think I was on my live. That's members only. Listen, don't judge me. But, I think I said on my live, I was like, girl, you ain't buy a bag in a while. But, like, in the real world, girl, I just brought that YSL bag in January. Yeah, in January. So, it's like, this is March. Girl, that was 2 months ago. But I am getting the itch. And I'm trying to hold out for the cherries collection, but I'm thinking if I got the itch, maybe I should knock something off of my wish list. Because I told y'all what's on my wish list. If y'all haven't seen that, I will link it again. I will link it up here and in the description box. But I think I'm going to knock something off my wish list. But I'm trying to be responsible and wait for the cherries collection. Especially with everything in the world going on. Because things are still high as hell. Okay? And things is crazy. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my Louis Vuitton accessories haul. Can we call it accessories haul? Yeah, accessories haul. Accessories haul. I need a nap. I do. I need a nap. Anyway, my accessories haul. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Should I wait for the cherry? Because I do think I want something from the cherries collection. A bag. But then I also want to get something off my wish list to go ahead and knock that out. I don't know. Tell me what you think. And then tell me what you think about my little haul, my little accessories haul. And then also, if you're not aware, I do have a membership. Now the membership, just in case you don't know, I ain't talking about nothing about bags. It ain't about bags. It ain't about Louis Vuitton. It ain't about nothing but my rants about the state of the world. Okay, not even the state of the world. The state of the United. Okay. And my anxieties. Okay, that's what it's about. Okay. So if you would like, click that membership. I also do lives that I save to members only. Only because, you know, my friends be asking me questions and subjects be coming up that's not made for the publics of the YouTube. So I usually got to save a membership because, you know what I'm saying, I ain't trying to meet nobody in the parking lot is what I'm saying. I ain't trying to meet nobody in the parking lot. So they are usually saved under members only because the conversations we end up veering off to. Also, I did start a second channel, but I would just say, like, I don't know. Y'all told me y'all wanted a second channel. I made the second channel. But I'm going to need y'all to go over there and subscribe. I need y'all to go over there and subscribe. Now, those are rants about everything but politics. Okay? Am I right? Yeah. Y'all, I need a nap. I need a nap. Don't judge me. I need a nap. Okay? But I do got to run some air. Anyway, okay. But I told y'all I'm half crazy. I'm half crazy. If you let me, I will sit here and rant and tell you everything that's in my mind. unsolicited. Okay, but of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and subscribe to my other channel. Go ahead, go ahead, it's free. Subscribe to this one, both of them free 99. Okay, but everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.